Benefits of Youtheory Collagen. Benefits of collagen: may ease joint pain, may reverse skin aging, helps build muscle and burn fat, may reduce cellulite, may improve digestive health. Youtheory Collagen Review. Description: skin, hair and nail formula, enhanced with vitamin C. Dietary supplement: dairy-free, soy-free, no gluten ingredients. 6,000 mg collagen per serving. Replenishes beauty proteins. Helps counteract skin aging. Revitalizes skin, hair and nails. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. As we age, collagen naturally breaks down and diminishes over time, leading to the early signs of aging, including wrinkles, thinning hair, brittle nails and weaker joints. Youtheory Collagen can help you achieve inner health and outer beauty. Providing 6,000 mg of easily digested and highly absorbable collagen peptides per serving, this formula supplies the essential building blocks to support healthy aging and a more youthful appearance. It also features a daily dose of vitamin C to help aid normal collagen formation and boost antioxidant protection. Suggested use: adults, take 6 tablets per day, all at once or in divided doses. Other ingredients: magnesium stearate, vegetable source. This product is manufactured in a facility that processes whey milk protein and fish extracts. Warnings: check with your doctor before using this product if you are taking medication or have any medical conditions. Do not use if you are pregnant or nursing. Do not exceed the recommended daily intake. Not intended for persons under 18. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool and dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.